Bakit ang tao mas pinipili na lang mag-procrastinate at maging lazy? Meron silang tinatawag na block na kailangan i-break through. And ano itong block na ito? There is so much fear. There is so much worry. Now, ano-ano itong mga block na ito pag-usapan natin so that ma-encourage ka maybe to get into the path of success and no longer settle to being lazy, no longer settle to procrastinating. Is what we call self-imposed judgments. At pag-usapan natin to because itong self-imposed judgments na ito ang pumipigil din sa'yo bakit ayaw mong pagdaanan yung path to success. Anong example ng mga self-imposed judgments? Number 1, fear of making a mistake. Number 2, fear of failure.